Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm uploading this video after a very long time. So today I'm going to show the keyboard which I just bought. It's a mechanical Bluetooth keyboard, and it's a really nice one. And I think at this price point, this is one of the best mechanical Bluetooth keyboard if you want to search in the market. This is from Ant Esports. This is the name over here, Ant Esports. And then you have this box where it was packaged. It was nicely packaged. So what I got from inside is this keyboard, these two frames. You get two extra frames over here. One white one is the yellow one, and one is already installed. This is the black one, which comes pre-installed on this keyboard. So you can change it, you can switch it based on whatever color you like. This is a gaming keyboard. It's a RGB one. You see that all colors are over here. Different colors on different machines. So if you want to increase the brightness, I think this is the one. Yeah, so all the buttons are backlit with different colors. So in the box again you will get the keyboard itself, the frames, and these manuals. The manuals can help you know what key combinations you can use. There are multiple combinations to help you with whatever functions which you want to go for. Like for example, here you you will get to know the Bluetooth combination to change to the different Bluetooth keyboards. Even if in case like you want to change it to wired or 2.4G. 2.4G is nothing but the dongle which comes along with it. Bluetooth 3, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 1. So it can connect to 3 Bluetooth at a time, and it can also connect to the dongle which comes along with this keyboard, and a wired connection will also work. Okay, and then there are other combinations as well, like factory reset, if you want to go to my computer, and all these things. Even if you lost this manual, I mean, it's good to just keep it safe. But even if you lose it, even in that case, like everything is mentioned on these keys, on this keyboard itself. So here you will see Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3, 2.4G, which is nothing but dongle, and the wired connection if you want to work on the wired connection. And then you just have to press it along with the function button here, function plus this, function plus this, and then it will be working in that way. Like it will start connecting to that computer, that device. And then it's fine for both, I mean, Mac and Windows, both kind of machines. So you have you can work in the way whichever you like. This is RGB. So I never checked this. What is this? Welcome to Dispute. Okay, this is to register your product for warranty. I haven't done that, so I will do that after this video. Okay, so now this is RGB. So I will just keep these frames aside. So I like this black one which is already installed. So I think this frame is good, so I didn't change it. So now it's RGB, so you can change the color pattern as well. So you just have to use this function key, and then you will get to know what different color patterns are there. So like, see, this is one of the patterns, right? It will glow up over this WASD area, and then the rest will be not backlit. Then the second pattern is this one, only this area is lit. Third gaming pattern is this one. Fourth gaming pattern is this one. Fifth gaming. So this is just lighting the area which for the keys where most of the functionalities related to gaming are present, right? For games, what we use is the arrow keys, or we use these number keys and this ASWD and surrounding keys. So these are the combinations for gaming, but there are other combinations as well. So if like these are just for gaming, but if you press other button, this is this here insert, you will see that the whole keyboard is backlit now. Whole keyboard is backlit, each and every key is backlit. Now if you want to change the pattern, I'll just press this again. Now you will see it's like dimming and glowing, and then you know, there's a sudden, slowly it's getting lit. I'm not sure if you guys are able to see, but this is like going on and off in a slow mode. Now again I will change the pattern. Now this is like a wave forming on the keyboard. Now again I will change the pattern. This is another kind of wave. Oh sorry, this one. Yeah, this is another kind of wave. It's like again wave, but it's like little faster. Yeah, this is another pattern. You see that if I click something, this is another pattern. So there are multiple combinations in which the keyboard can work. So I mean all these patterns are inbuilt. I like just the basic one where, hold on, which one I like. Yeah, this one. I like this one. It just lets the key which you exactly press. So I press S, and then H is on, J, and then J is on. If I press any other button, and the button which I actually pressed should be lit. I like this kind of pattern. So you can choose the pattern whatever you want. Then on the keys you have this, how much duration the key will be lit. So this is like you can reduce that or you can increase that. The same way the brightness side, you can increase the brightness or decrease the brightness. And then here are for all the gaming combinations. It will lit the keys which are particularly used for gaming. Escape will reset it. Escape, if you press it for 5 seconds, it will reset your all the keyboard functions. It will you will have to then again like reset your connections and everything. Now yeah, now along with this, how do we connect? I mean, the build quality is good, but now I will talk about how do we connect. So we can connect it through the dongle. So you get the dongle here, okay, so you just here, and then you just have to insert it into your USB port in your PC, and then you can start working on it. So you can connect it through wired connection here, right? Now the interesting part is you don't see any battery which need to be installed here. So that's a good thing, because it comes with a rechargeable battery. So if you just charge it from here, this USB type C, it will be charged, and then I think I don't know how long will that be, but I think it has a good battery backup as well. Now this is on off switch. If you want to turn on or off your keyboard, the switch is over here. Once you connect to whatever you want to connect, you have switches here: Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3. 2.4G is nothing but the dongle connection. Wired is wired here. You just have to press along with the G. It comes with USB type C wire of its own. So I will just show you that too. 1 second. So it comes with this USB type C cable. It's a long cable, so even if you have your PC at a distance, this should work, or anything like the wire is having good length, so that's also a good part. So yeah guys, I think this is one of the best keyboard. Oh, I just noticed here on the control, if the battery is less or battery is low, it will start blinking over here. So it's awesome. And then you can just simply charge it, because this is a rechargeable keyboard. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you like it can also connect to your phones. I'll just open it. So here my phone is connected. I will just increase the brightness. Yeah, so the phone is connected and the keyboard is connected to my phone. So if you see over here, it's connected to Bluetooth. Now I just have to do what I have to do is type over here, and then it will be showing up on the keyboard, sorry, the phone. So it's really awesome, guys. I mean, because it's a Bluetooth keyboard, it can connect to any of the things, whether it is your phone, iPad, MacBook, or Windows, or TV. You will be able to connect to any of the devices just because it has Bluetooth connectivity, and it works awesome. I mean, I am very happy with this keyboard. I already have a mechanical keyboard, but that's a wired mechanical keyboard. But this wireless mechanical keyboard is just you know, at another level. I bought it for just 2000 rupees, like it was exactly 1999 from Amazon, and that was during the festival sale in 2023. This is 2023, and then I think I got a good deal there, but I'm not sure how much the price fluctuates. But even if it is fluctuating a little, I still will recommend that this keyboard is one of the best mechanical keyboard. If you like using mechanical keyboard, this is one of the best keyboards out there at this price range. So please go ahead with it, and don't think much. You will be totally satisfied, I know. So thank you very much, guys, for watching this, and see you later. Bye. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.